What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas and today we're going to be talking about Alpine 4 Technologies. No question. They dropped some massive information when they were talking about two new subsidiaries they added, and they're talking about adding another, and that is going to be package delivery. That is absolute massive information, and we can already see a direction in which this is going to happen. I'm pumped for this company. I know you guys are pumped, and I'm going to provide supporting evidence and really kind of start some speculation when we're talking about the package delivery. So if you're interested in Alpine 4 Technologies, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before you guys allow me to hype you up, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and that's right, it's time to get into the video. I am coming out the gate swinging on this one, no question, and the reason is because this absolutely got me going when I read this information. And so I had to bring you guys a video on it. I had to provide you the information, and I really had to start dissecting and diving in to even see what everyone thinks about this whole thing. So what I'm going to do first is talk about the package delivery aspect. There really is a lot of opportunity when you're talking package deliveries. I mean, there's a lot of companies that are going to be needing that when we start to expand into the drone sector in the future. There's a ton of major e-commerces out there that are going to be using that platform, and it's going to be a convenient way to deliver packages, but it's also going to be a very safe way to deliver packages. It's going to be a lot more time efficient. It's going to be a lot cheaper. The last I saw is that it's going to cost roughly about 25 cents to deliver a package with a drone. So you're really talking cost effective, you're talking safety, and you're talking timely in a package delivery. So what I'm going to do is provide supporting evidence on this topic with Alpine 4 Technology. So let's swing on over here. And the first thing out the gate is going to be the company will introduce several support subsidiaries in 2021 to further our endeavors in capturing market share within the industry. And the industry they're talking about is going to be obviously the drone industry. This article that I'm talking about this actually came from a full article when they acquired Impossible Aerospace. So that is one major detail that they obviously had to put in there, and they're going to have support when you're talking the drone sector. You're going to have to find ways to support this. Now the next piece of information was really kind of coming from when they talked about the two subsidiaries that they recently did. And so we're going to dive into both of those again, just so you guys are aware of the two subsidiaries and the big piece of information they decided to plug in at the very end. So it says Alpine 4 Technologies, a leading operator and owner of small market businesses, has announced the creation of two drone subsidiaries to reside in the A4 technology portfolio. As we expand our footprint in the drone market, these new subsidiaries will serve as a subdivide our drone tech into two categories. Number one is going to be EMS services. Impossible Aerospace has already proven the viability of the US-1 drone through its relationships with law enforcement and the US Air Force. Its unparalleled flight time will assist with countless future applications. That's one major key aspect that I've seen that they really have done different than most, and that is going to be the amount of flight time that these drones are capable of doing, and it's an astronomical number. Absolutely amazing to see. So continuing on, it says, additionally, people may be surprised by the lifting capabilities of the US-1 and to know that it's scalable. Number two, Delivery Part 135. This is where it gets really good, guys. This is it right here. Delivery Part 135 certification permits a company to deliver beyond visual line of sight. We at Alpine 4 are highly motivated to enter drone delivery space. I'm going to repeat that again. Delivery Part 135 certification permits a company to deliver beyond visual line of sight, which is actually going to be BVLOS. It's going to be beyond visual line of sight. That's a term you're going to hear a lot when you're talking about drones, and it is a huge accomplishment that is coming with Part 135. There's a lot of companies out there, a lot of businesses that are really trying to get this accomplished, and they have been given the amazing opportunity to join the Beyond program, which was basically developed by the United States Department of Transportation. And so that's a huge piece. And so if in this case Alpine 4 Technologies is working on Part 135 and it's allowing them to deliver beyond the visual line of sight, they're trying to enter, and I'm going to read this right here. We at Alpine 4 are highly motivated to enter the drone delivery space. The addition of an alternative airframe to the US-1 would be specifically to achieve long-distance delivery. And so that's where I'm going to start to break this thing down. Because it continues to say, allowing us to provide a multitude of solutions to the market. The acquisition of Impossible Aerospace represents more than one drone company, but rather the first building block in our drone division, commented Ian Kantrowitz of Alpine 4's executive leadership team. So by them being able to deliver long distances, their drones being able to fly for a long period of time, the doors are open, you're talking endless opportunities. That's where you start getting into major e-commerces. You're talking Shopify, you're talking Walmart, you're talking Kroger, because eventually people are going to need groceries delivered. Especially when it talked about earlier, being able to actually carry a decent amount and it's scalable. That's amazing to hear. You're talking a huge window of opportunity, and I'm excited to see that, especially for this company, because they're entering into the sector. It sounds like to me they're not scared to put their foot on the pedal and really press on, and they have a vision. They put some things in place. They went out and got Impossible Aerospace, and now it's go time. And I love to see that. And since Alpine 4 Technologies decided to enter into the package delivery, that really started getting my gears moving, and I started thinking of the endless opportunities that will come with that. One of the things that immediately popped into my mind is Valkyrie. Valkyrie is a company based out of Chicago, and what they do is they basically manufacture boxes, mailboxes. They're 7 feet tall, and drones are delivering to them. It's absolutely amazing to see. I interviewed the CEO and co-founder Ryan Walsh of Valkyrie, and it was an amazing interview. Ryan Walsh is an amazing person, I can tell you that for sure, and he has a vision for his company. They're constantly doing things, and they're going to be special within the drone sector, no question. But the reason why they popped into my mind is they're going to be able to provide a service to a lot of different companies that are entering into drone delivery. And this is one of them for sure. Alpine 4 Technologies could capitalize having a partnership with the likes of a Valkyrie. The boxes are going to be unique. They're going to be able to provide a service to a lot of different things, and they're accepting of different things as well. So they could accept a package from the likes of an Amazon, a Walmart, a FedEx, a UPS. But then on the other side, they can also accept mail. On the other side of that, even, they can accept, packages that have medicines in them or pharmaceuticals. I mean, there's just a lot of opportunity. And so I start to immediately think of all the companies that would be successful with Alpine 4 Technologies going forward with this drone delivery service. Guys, I would be absolutely amazed to hear your guys' thoughts, your comments, what you have to say down in the comments below. Put what you think about this entire piece of information. Obviously it is in an article, so it does mean that they're trying to do this. They want to accomplish this, and it sounds like a lot of it is going to start evolving in 2021, which is right around the corner. That's exciting information for a company that is trading right around $1. That a lot of people have been in this stock, they believe in this stock, and it's only going to continue to get more people attached to it for reasons like this. I'm excited. I know a lot of you guys are excited, and it's going to be amazing to see. It truly is. This is going to be a company that is going to start expanding and really start growing, and we haven't even talked about hardly any of the other subsidiaries. This is one of the ones that I'm going to cover the most because I enjoy covering drones. I enjoy covering this sector as a whole, and I do feel it's going to be the future of a lot of things. So that's why I'm going to hit on this a lot. But obviously, I do understand that there are a lot of other subsidiaries that fall and are housed under Alpine 4 Technologies. They do have roughly 21 subsidiaries, and they're continuously adding more with some massive contracts that are going into that as well. I mean, this company is going to be generating some revenue. It's going to be amazing to see. I'm excited. I appreciate you guys swinging by and checking out this video on Alpine 4 Technologies. Like I said, put your comments in the comment section. I'm excited to see what you guys think, who the major e-commerce could be that they could partner with to get these drone packages out and about to people. You know, I'm interested to see what you guys think. I do want to remind you, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only. And that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.